Namaskar friends. Today I bring you a sweet pulao recipe of Bengal, popularly known as Basanti Pulao. This is an aromatic sweet pulao of Bengal. For this we require ghee 9 to 10 tablespoons, Gobindabhog rice 2 cups. This rice has a sweet aroma which goes very well with any pulao recipe. I have already washed the rice and drained it completely. Next, we take turmeric powder for the yellow color, chopped ginger, salt as per taste, sugar 3 tablespoons. This is a pulao which is on the sweeter side, so a little more sugar is required, unlike any other pulao. Some spices such as cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. Bay leaves can also be used here. Some green chilies just for the flavor and not for the spice. Some soaked raisins. Cashew nuts can also be used here. So let's begin. Heat a small pan. Add some ghee. 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee would be enough. Next, we add the turmeric powder to it. Let it mix well with the ghee. Now, during this process, instead of adding the turmeric and ghee right away to the rice, will give a rich color and taste to our pulao. Do try this process. So, next, you can see that our rice grains are free from any wetness. They are dry, completely dry. Now this has to be ensured that the rice is dry. This will help the turmeric mixture to coat well with the grains. We pour the mix nicely. Now we do the flavoring. Add salt as per your taste. Next, we put in the sugar, all the spices that we have taken earlier, like chopped, here I've added cloves, cardamom, chopped ginger. Chopped ginger is very essential. This cannot be missed at all. Now I use a part of the chopped ginger and a part is left aside for the stage when I'll be heating the rice together with water. Now we mix everything well until every grain is coated properly with the ghee mixture. We now keep this mix to rest for a minimum of 15 minutes if you are running short of time, and a maximum of 30 to 1 hours. So 30 minutes to 1 hour will be good to go. Now we start the process where we heat a pan, saucepan or any container that you would prefer, any cookware. This can also be made in a pressure cooker. We add ghee. Now let it heat for a while. First we add the whole spices, all the spices that we have used, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves. We then add the cashew nuts if you are using it. Now we let this fry to get a gentle golden color. Remember, we will not burn our cashew nuts, so they need to be slightly coated with a golden color. You can see I'm frying it. You cannot be inattentive at this stage at all. Next, we add in the pre-mixed rice. At this stage, we need to mix everything well until the rice gets lighter and translucent. You have to keep on mixing. This is the stage when you have to be a little patient. It's a 5 to 6 minutes of process where you cannot allow the rice to burn, but yes, it should get lighter and translucent, a little transparent, where the color changes a bit, you can see. Now at this stage, after this, we add the water. Now this is a very important part where the amount of water will ensure that our pulao gets fluffier or sticky. The amount of water is always double the quantity of rice taken. I took 2 cups of rice, so I'm using 4 cups of water. Now here 4 cups to 3.5 cups to 5 cups or 4.5 cups is what the measurement goes. Now this is it also depends on the rice that we have taken. Now I forgot to mention that instead of the Govindabhog rice, you can always go with basmati rice as well. With basmati rice too, this pulao comes out really well. Now try using some warm water to retain all flavors and temperature of cooking. Using cold water will immediately bring down the temperature of cooking, and this can affect our flavors, and it can affect the fluffiness of the rice, and it can go sticky. So I forgot to add the raisins. You can add at this stage. We give everything a mix and wait for a boil to come. You see, I've already put on the lid. Let it cook in high flame until the boil comes. You see, I have covered the lid with a cloth. The lid had an opening and I covered that with a cloth to allow the steam to build up and enhance the cooking. Just check if the boil has come, and now let it cook undisturbed for a good 15 to 18 minutes in low flame. Do not put the flame high, which will burn the rice from beneath. After 15 minutes, our pulao is ready. You can see. Here I'm adding the green chilies. You can add 2, 3, 4 according to your taste. Remember, this is just for the flavoring. Beautiful flavor of the green chilies will permeate all through our pulao. So this is the stage. We turn off the flame. Let this now rest for another 5 minutes before we serve this on a plate. Now here is our Basanti Pulao ready to be dug in. You can serve it with any side dish. Here I have served with chicken curry. Traditionally it goes very well with mutton curry. You can use paneer butter masala, paneer do pyaza, or any kind of spicy dish that you want, because this is a sweet pulao and a spicy dish would definitely go very well with it. So make this for your family and friends. Enjoy, and do like, comment and subscribe my channel.